Alright, so you've clicked through some of the basic information on the course, talking about our major paper assignments, talking about extra credit, talking about our style guide, which is MLA style, and that we will use for the rest of the quarter. And now it's time to talk a little bit about our course theme and the overall emphasis of our course. So we're talking this quarter specifically about social justice topics. All right, that means that your final paper will focus on a topic that falls under that umbrella of social justice, and I've whittled it down, and I have this on a previous slide, to 3 kind of overall categories. But we'll also be looking at potentially articles throughout the quarter that deal with social justice topics. Okay, so I've got a little bit more definition for you on the coming slides of social justice. And one thing that I just want to say as an aside, it can be a little bit difficult to agree on some of these issues when we're doing discussion about topics that have a variety of different viewpoints and perspectives. So it's essential in discussion and in your final paper that you take an approach rhetorically that is respectful. Okay, and that leads us to rhetoric. We'll be talking about how to understand a text's rhetoric, how somebody else is arguing, so that in your final paper, you're able to present a really solid argument. All right, and we'll also be talking about argumentation. Okay, what are the core concepts of that and how does it work? Not just how to best persuade somebody, but what are some different tactics you can take within your paper to make and form a really great argument.